I'm Sonu Thomas. Today I'm going to present the topic neural networks, classification and application. So before going directly into classifications and applications, let's look into what is neural network. Neural network is a series of algorithms that endeavors to recognize underlying relationship in a set of data through a process that mimics the way the human brain operates. Now let's check the classifications of neural networks. Neural networks are classified into 7. Those are shallow neural networks, deep neural networks, convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network, long short-term memory, attention-based network, generative adversarial network. Now let's check every classification of neural network in detail. The first one is shallow neural network. Neural networks are made up of group of perceptrons to simulate the neural structure of human brain. Shallow neural network have a single hidden layer of perceptron. One of the example of shallow neural network is collaborative filtering. The hidden layer of perceptron trained to represent similarities between entities to generate recommendation. Recommended system in Netflix, Amazon, YouTube uses a version of collaborative filtering. Now, the second classification is deep neural network. Neural network with more than one hidden layer is called deep neural network. They help us achieve universality. Universal approximation theorem is the core of deep neural network to train and fit any model. Every version of deep neural network is developed by a fully connected layer of max-bold product of matrix application. Now, the next application is convolution neural network. Convolution neural network are the most mature form of deep neural network to produce the most accurate, that is better than human result in computer vision. CNNs are layers made up of convolution created by scanning every pixel of images in a dataset. As the data get approximated by layer, CNN starts recognizing the pattern and recognizing the objects in the images. These objects are used extensively in various applications for identification, classification, etc. Google Translator, Google Lens are the examples of convolution neural network. Now the next classification is recurrent neural network. Recurrent neural network are the most recent form of deep neural network for solving problems in NLP. That is, RNN feed the output of hidden layers to input layers to aggregate and carry forward the approximation to the next iteration of input dataset. It helps the model to self-learn and correct the predictions faster to an extent. Such models are helpful in understanding the semantics of the text in NLP operation. The next classification is long-short neural network. Long short-term neural network are designed to address the vanishing gradient problem with RNN. Vanishing gradient problem happens with large neural network where gradient of loss function tend to move more close to zero. Long short-term neural network solves this problem by preventing activation functions. The next classification, that is the sixth classification, is attention-based network. Attention-based network are slowly taking over even new random neural network in practice. Attention models are built by focusing on a part of a subset of the information, thereby eliminating the overwhelming amount of information that is not needed for a result at hand. Attention models are built with a combination of soft and hard attention and fitting by back-propagating soft attention. Multiple attention models stacked hierarchically called transformers. These are efficient to run the stacks in parallel so that they produce state result with comparatively lesser data and time for training the model. An attention distribution become powerful when used with convolution neural network or random neural network and produce text description to an image. Google, Facebook, etc. quickly adapt attention models. Now the last classification is generative adversarial network. They are the latest development in deep learning to tackle scenarios. Although deep learning models provide state-of-art results, they can be fooled by more intelligent human by adding noise to real-world data. GAN are unsupervised learning where deep neural networks are trained with the data generated by artificial intelligence model. The research interest in GAN has led to more sophisticated implementations like conditional GAN or super resolution GAN. So that's all about the classifications of neural network. Now let's move on to the applications of neural network. Neural networks are regulating some key sectors including finance, healthcare and automotive. They can be used for image recognition, character recognition and stock market prediction. As these artificial neuron functions in a way similar to brain, let's understand the diverse applications of neural network. The first application is facial recognition systems. They are serving as robust systems of surveillance. They are used in office for selective entries. The system thus authenticate a human face and match it up with a list of IDs that is present in database. CNN are used for facial recognition and image processing. Large number of pictures are fed into the database for training neural network. The next application is stock market prediction and social media. First, let's go on to stock market prediction. It is nearly impossible to predict the upcoming changes in highly volatile stock market. To make successful stock market prediction in a real time, a multi-layer perceptron, that is MLP, is employed. MLP comprises of multi-layer of nodes. Each of these layers fully connected to succeeding nodes. Stocks' past performance, annual returns, and non-profit ratios are considered for building the MLP model. Now let's move to social media. Neural networks duplicate the behavior of social media users. Multi-layer perceptron, that is ANN, is used to mine data from social media applications. ANN, that is artificial neural network, are used to study the behavior of social media users. Data shared every day via virtual conversation is taken up and analyzed for competitive analysis. It duplicates the behavior of social media users. The post of analysis of individual behavior through social media. The data can be linked to people habits. The next application is aerospace and defense. Aerospace. Time delay neural network, that is TNN, can be employed for modeling non-linear time dynamic system. Time delay neural network are used for position independent feature recognition. The algorithm thus built based on time delay neural network can recognize pattern. Defense. Defense is the backbone of every country. Neural network also shape the defense operations of technologically advanced countries. US, Britain, Japan are the countries that use artificial neural network for developing an active defense strategy. Neural networks are used in logistics, armed attack analysis, and for object location. They are used in air patrols, maritime patrol, and for controlling automated drones. The defense sector is getting much needed luck in artificial intelligence to scale up technologies. Now, next application is signature verification and handwriting analysis. From the word itself, we can understand that signature verification is used for verifying an individual signature. Artificial intelligence are used for varying signature. Many financial institutions use signature verification to cross-check identity. Artificial neural network can also be used for verification of both online and offline signature. Handwriting plays a very important role in forensics. CNN are used for handwriting analysis and handwriting verification. Other important applications of neural networks are healthcare, weather forecasting, etc. So that's all about the applications of neural network. Now we have finished our topic, that is neural network classifications and applications. From this we can understand how important neural network is. With humanoid robots like Grace on its way to the world, we can expect some sci-fi movies turning into reality. So I think you understand about neural network. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.